Hi, introducing our product Cell Pack ACIR Testing Lab. This is a very unique equipment that is very useful to teach the students on manufacturing of a battery pack. Let me explain you what exactly comes as a part of this physical setup first. The first is a complete table that ensures there is an enough work area for the students and the learners to get a practical hang of the whole equipment. The second thing, the equipment itself. This is a ACIR testing device, which performs an IR test at a 1 kHz frequency. The next thing is the several formats of the cells, like cylindrical cells of a different sizes, and then we have the prismatic cells of a different sizes, and then we also will possibly have the pouch cells. That's what exactly comes as a part of the setup, and then the students can actually manufacture a small battery pack within the given facilities itself. So what is that they're going to learn as a part of this whole equipment or the facility? The first and foremost important thing, right? When we want to manufacture a battery pack, we buy the cells. It may be any OEM or any big company. They don't manufacture all the cells. They buy the cells from LG, Samsung, Panasonic. So when to manufacture a battery pack, it is very important to sort the cells. So what is the meaning of sorting the cells, right? Because each cell has its own voltage, also its own internal resistance. It is very important when you want to manufacture a battery pack, you group the right cells together. That means the right meaning the cells of the same voltage, the cells of the same internal resistance, so that the battery pack will have a better functionality and better deliverables with respect to what has been targeted for, or else you will have a faulty battery pack. To do that, we typically use this machine. This machine sends a 1 kHz frequency, which is an AC frequency, into the cell. So once you send that signal into the cell will respond back to you with a specific information that is directly visible onto you on the screen. Let's just do a quick small demo for you, right? So we have a cell here, which is the prismatic cell. So I probe the cell at two different points, right? I'll be able to read a value here, right? The cell is showing about 5.627 milliohms of an internal resistance, and also the machine shows you what is the voltage that you're reading from this cell, right? So with the help of this data, you're now able to know what is the information of the cell with respect to IR and the voltage. So in this way, let's say we give the number of cells to our students, right? And then we tell them that, hey, your goal is to manufacture a battery pack. Now, how do you sort these cells? So they use this machine, they use the given cells and then conduct the test for the given target of the number of pack specifications. They will choose the right cells for this one. Good learning activity. Apart from it, what is the next learning activity that you are able to impose with the help of this equipment? So when we manufacture a battery pack, it is not just a cell, right? The battery pack consists of the cells arranged in series and parallel configuration. So now, if you tell a student theoretically, hey, this is a single cell's internal resistance, if you want to manufacture a battery pack of 10S10P or 10S5P, what will be the total internal resistance? You can give a hand calculation for that. Then the next step is, it is not just the cells all alone in series and parallel, it is also a combination of the bus bars, right? They also have the resistance. Apart from it, there is a manufacturing process. If you're using a cylindrical cells like this, typically you will possibly do laser welding or you will do a spot welding. Even that process induces a specific amount of resistance in the battery pack. So if you want to then make the students, with the help of the DIY kits that we're going to give them, they can manufacture a battery pack. They can assemble the battery pack, I would say. After they assemble the battery pack, they want to analyze what is the total internal resistance of the battery pack. Again, for that, this machine can do up to about 100 volts for the test. You can also buy a machine which can go higher rating also in case you want to teach your students. So now let's take this as a battery pack. And in this battery pack, I want to measure at the pack level internal resistance, right? So I take these two probes, I connect them here. The machine will provide me what is the overall pack voltage. Also, the machine will provide me what is the total internal resistance of this battery pack. So I know my individual cell's internal resistance. I can calculate my theoretical internal resistance. and then if I can fix a value within this limit, if the battery pack is there, I can accept as a quality assurance, or I will not be able to accept as a part of the quality process. So in this way, we have taught our students on how to develop a battery pack with the step of sorting the cells and also ensuring the final quality check. Then apart from these things, let me show you a quick example, right? So I want to identify some defect inside the cell or defect inside the battery pack. We can also do that. Let's say this is the first cell, which is here, is actually something faulty with the cell. We can actually read that the reading is about 31.29 millivolts, and it's too much, right? If you take the next cell, which is here, this cell will exhibit you hardly about 0.47 millivolts. That means this cell is faulty in this battery pack. That's why the battery pack is not functional as well. So in this way, you'll be able to get a very detailed learning activities. To make these learning activities, Decibels has developed a very beautiful curriculum and also a user manual, and then the lab manual as well. You just need to follow through that lab manual for your students as a teacher, and then you will be able to provide a very good, comprehensive, practical learning opportunity for your students to get their hands-on experience in the areas of battery pack development and become highly skilled engineers or skilled technicians for the needs of the battery industry in India. Thank you.